everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're actually going to answer two basic questions about OpusSearch. The first question is, who benefits from OpusSearch? Well, OpusSearch is benefited. Actually, what kind of English is that? OpusSearch, people that benefit from OpusSearch are one, professional creators. Because they get to find viral moments instantly, reuse old footage, and monetize clips with minimal effort. The second set of people that get to benefit are media, businesses, and brands, because they get to streamline workflows, respond faster to trends, and generate return on investment from large video libraries. Now let's look at the third set of people that benefit from OpusSearch. That is organizations and educators, because they can curate and reuse years of valuable content for new channels, online learning, or digital outreach. Now you might be asking, why is OpusSearch a game changer? Well, it saves time. Yep. So forget scrubbing through hours of footage. OpusSearch finds the exact moment you need in seconds. Then it also helps you drive revenue. By converting existing content into ads, sponsorship, or compilations, you unlock new earning potential. And lastly, it keeps you relevant. Its real-time trend detection and intelligent clip suggestion help you stay ahead of the content curve. So that is some of the advantages, the reasons why OpusSearch is a game changer. And let's look at this video quickly.
OpusClip already enhances your video libraries. But now OpusSearch helps build your media empire. Welcome to your new growth agent. Imagine if every moment from your entire video history could be instantly searchable, triggered by trends, and remonetizable. OpusSearch lets you find anything, even the most obscure moments from videos you forgot you made. The trend agent automatically surfaces clips relevant to trending stories so you can ride that wave. You can even add sponsor mentions, make compilations, and most importantly, build your media empire with entirely new niche channels to win the war of attention. OpusSearch makes it all effortless.
So that's it, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. Those are the great aspects of OpusSearch. So why were you for getting to it today?